Hello and welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Fudget app in your device. Fudget is a budgeting and expense tracking app designed to help you stay on top of your finances. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Fudget. There you can see Fudget Budget Planner. Tap on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Fudget app to help you take control of your finances and reach your financial goals. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.